Hello student, good morning. Today we will start the next cell organelle, that is the Golgi complex. Golgi complex. Camillo Golgi, scientist Camillo Golgi, the scientist. It is described in 1891. First of all, recognize it in the nerve cells. Recognize it in the nerve cells of the brain, OWL, OWL meaning gourd, and the cat, Major. After the name of its discoverers, Golgi complex was variously named of Golgi somes, Golgi bodies, Golgi material, Golgi membrane. The Golgi complex of the cells of plants and lower invertebrates is usually referred as Golgi body or dictyosomes. Means name of scientist that discovered complex or material, that is called as, name is given to Golgi material or Golgi membrane, Golgi complex, Golgi bodies, Camillo Golgi. Biosynthesis of polysaccharides, packaging of cellular synthetic products, proteins, productions of exocytotic vesicles, and differentiation of cells, cellular membranes. There occurs a complex organelle called Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex in the cytoplasm of animals and plant cells. Secretory vesicles, cisternae, membrane of Golgi complex, tubules. Three-dimensional view of Golgi complex. The Golgi complex found in all cells except the prokaryotic cells, example bacteria, mycoplasmas and blue-green algae, and the eukaryotic cells of certain fungi, sperm cells of bryophytes, and the pteridophytes cells of mature shoots, tubes of plants and mature sperms, and red blood cells of animals. In animals cells, there usually occurs single Golgi complex, however, developing oocytes of chordates may contain many Golgi bodies. In animal cells, the Golgi complex is a localized organelle, example in the cells of ectodermal origin. The Golgi complex remains polar and occurs in between the nucleus and the periphery, and in the nerve cells is occupies a circumnuclear position. Structure. Morphologically, each type of organelles of Golgi bodies is disc shaped and consists of central flattened plate like compartments or cisternae, peripheral network of interconnecting tubules, and peripherally occurring vesicles and Golgian vacuoles. Cisternae. This is structure. Golgi complex structure is three parts: cisternae, tubules, and vesicles. Number one, cisternae. A cisternae is a sac or cavity filled with fluid contents within a cell or organisms. A Golgi body or Golgi complex usually consists of 4 to severe or 3 or 12 flat tubular or filamentous cisternae, which are closely held in the parallel bundle or stalk one above the other. The number of cisternae per Golgi body may exceed up to 30 or more in lower organisms. All the cisternae of a stalk of Golgi bodies or Golgi complex are slightly curved so as to give a concave and a convex face of the whole stalk. Each cisternae of stalk is enclosed by the usually 3-layered unit membrane of 6 mu thickness. In the stalk, the cisternae are separated from each other. The intercisternal space of about 100 to 150 angstrom unit width. Each cisterna consists of a central plate-like region, sacule of 0.5 to 1 U diameter, which is fenestrated at its peripheral margins due to its extension into network of tubules. The cisternae have some definite polarity. The secretory vesicles are formed from the distal poles of the cisternae. Tubules. From the peripheral area of cisternae arise a complex anastomosing flat network of tubules of 300 to 500 angstrom unit diameter. Clouds and Juniper 1969 have compared this tubular network to a disc of lac vesicles. The vesicles are small droplet-like sacs which remain attached to tubules at the periphery of the cisternae. They are following two types: smooth vesicles, coated vesicles. The smooth vesicles are 20 to 80 mu diameter. They contain the secretory materials, secretory vesicles, and are budded from the ends of cisternae tubules within the net. Often more than one tubule connects to the presumably filled in single forming vesicles. The coated vesicles are spherical protuberances about 50 mu in diameter and with a rough surfaces. They are found at the periphery of the organelles, usually at the ends of single tubules, and are morphologically quite distinct from the secretory vesicles. Golgian vacuoles. The Golgian vacuoles are large, spacious, rounded, sac-like structures occurs at the distal ends of cisternae. They are produced by vesiculation of sacules of the cisternae. This is the structure of Golgi complex.